Welcome to the Anna Darpan Sales Module demo. In this demo, we will walk through the release order settlement workflow for a scenario involving mixed bag types. This use case demonstrates issuing wheat from stacks containing different bag types, HDPE and SBT, before performing the settlement process. The release order request is first created by the divisional office staff. Later it's approved by the divisional manager, just as in the regular sales order process. Now the depot operations are performed. Gate in charge logs in, selects the RO number, creates the token by entering the truck number. The weighbridge in charge logs into the system, selects the generated token on the in-weight page, enters the empty truck weight, and submits the entry. Selection of stack is optional at this stage. The shed in charge logs in, navigates to the loading page, and selects the issued token. The user enters the number of bags along with remarks. For this use case, the shed in charge selects one stack containing HDPE bags and another stack containing SBT bags to perform mixed bag type loading. Upon submitting the form, the system successfully records the loading activity. The manager QC logs in, navigates to the update moisture for issue page. Selects the issued token, enters moisture values for each stack used during loading, including both HDPE and SBT bag type stacks, and submits the moisture details. The weighbridge in charge logs in and selects the same token on the outweight page. Enters the gross weight of the loaded truck, and submits the details to complete the weighment process. The user navigates to the Generate Truck Chit page, selects the token, and submits the request to generate the truck chit. The gate in charge logs in, selects the truck associated with the token, verifies the generated truck chit, and clicks Submit to allow the truck to exit the depot. The divisional manager logs in, opens the RO settlement page and selects the RO number associated with the issued commodity. The manager enters remarks and verifies the calculated settlement cost using the formula. After entering the required information, the manager submits the RO settlement and completes the process. This completes the sales RO settlement with the mixed bag types workflow process. Thank you.